Welcome to my compounding channel. I am Dr. Alía. Hi everyone and welcome to today's post. A development of a 1.5% metronidazole gel. Metronidazole is an antimicrobial that works really well for anaerobic infections of the bedsores. The formulation is 1.5% metronidazole in Carbopol gel, enough for 100 grams. We can make the Carbopol gel by following one of my videos. Here's the link. Let's see how the formulation is made. The first thing is to place the metronidazole in a mortar. We grind it into a very fine powder. Then we need to moisten it with 5% propylene glycol to prevent clump formation. Alright, so we add our propylene glycol and grind until we form a homogeneous paste. Next, we add our Carbopol gel in small portions, grinding until homogeneous. We will obtain a translucent gel of medium consistency and homogeneous, which is what we want, completely homogeneous without any lumps. Well, now we have our Carbopol gel made, which we can package in a polyethylene tube or even in an iris container. Regarding the application, well, it's up to the doctor's discretion, but generally it's applied every 12 or 8 hours, and after 2 or 3 days, the bedsores improve significantly in terms of anaerobic infection. Well, thank you very much for your attention. This has been today's video. I hope to see you in future videos. Thank you very much.